大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋會繼續講分享4，你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？今日係第5部分 Part 5，我哋會繼續認字。認字下 means the last part because the last lessons is 上 means the first part, and then this lesson it is 下 means the last part. 喺認字之前，我哋做少少溫習。今日我哋默書係 dictation. Okay, let's try. 第一題，工作。第二題，醫生。第三題，消防員。第四題，公務員。第五題，侍應。第六題，警察。第七題，佢嘅職業係護士。佢嘅職業係護士。OK， 我重複。第一題，工作。第二題，醫生。第三題，消防員。第四題，公務員。第五題，侍應。第六題，警察。第七題，佢嘅職業係護士。Okay? If you haven't finished, please pause this videos and finish it. Or if you would like to listen one more time, please go back to the beginnings of this part. 好，我哋對答案。第一題，工作。工作嘅粵拼係 G-U-N-G Tone 1 Z-O-K Tone 3。點樣寫呢？工，橫直橫，作，撇直撇橫直橫橫。第二題，醫生，粵拼係 J-I Tone 1 E and then 生 S-A-N-G Tone 1。 醫有少少難係咪啊？我哋一齊寫，橫撇橫橫，撇點直橫，撇橫直彎， 橫撇捺橫直橫直撇直彎橫橫，得唔得？生係點寫啊？撇橫橫直橫。第三題，消防員。消 SIU 同音，防 FONG 同火，員 JYUN 同火。消字點寫啊？點點剔直點點直橫直勾橫橫。防呢？防我哋話係左耳旁 ，right？ Left ear radical。橫撇彎勾直點橫彎勾撇。And some people will write this part as 橫直勾 and like this。橫直勾撇。I would say because they are so similar, so both of them are acceptable. 圓直橫直橫直橫直橫橫橫點點。OK， 第四題，公務員。公 GUNG 同1，務 MOU 同6，員 JYUN 同4。OK， 公撇捺撇剔點，務橫撇點橫勾直勾撇撇橫撇捺橫直勾撇。圓直橫直橫直橫直橫橫橫點點。第五題，侍應。侍應 SI 同6，應 JING 同3。侍撇直橫直橫橫直勾點，應點橫撇撇直撇直點橫橫橫直橫點鵝勾點點。Okay, last videos I told you that this part more accurately we will say 鵝勾 because it is laid down。第六題，警察。警 GING 同2，察 CAAT 同3。警橫直直橫撇橫直勾直橫直橫撇橫撇捺。And then speech radical， 言字部點橫橫橫直橫直橫。察點點橫勾撇橫撇點點橫撇捺橫橫直勾點點。第七題，佢嘅職業係護士。佢 KEOI 同5，嘅 GE 同3，職 EZIK 同1，業 JIP 同6，係 HAI 同6，護WU 同 six， 是 si 同 six。 點樣寫呢？佢撇直橫直橫直橫橫嘅直橫直橫橫直橫橫直勾點橫撇橫撇直彎勾。 You may ask why the character I write is different from the printed versions. Yes, because this one is a computer formed. When we write, we usually will write like this. And some computer forms will also have this character. But no worry, you just remember they are the same, okay? 直橫直直橫橫剔，點橫點點橫，直橫直橫橫，斜勾撇點，葉直直點點橫，點點橫橫橫直撇捺，係撇直撇撇剔撇剔點，直勾點點，戶點橫橫橫直橫直橫，橫直直橫撇直點橫橫橫直橫，橫撇捺，是橫直橫。The first horizontal stroke is longer than the second one. OK? OK, 仲記唔記得佢哋點解啊？第一題，工作，工作係 job。第二題，醫生，醫生係 doctor。第三題，消防員，消防員係 firefighter。第四題，公務員，公務員係 civil servant。第五題，侍應，侍應係 waiter or waitress。第六題，警察，警察係 police officer。第七題，佢嘅職業係護士，佢 he she right， 佢嘅職業 means his or her occupation， 職業係 occupation， 係 verb to be， 護士 nurse， so his or her occupation is nurse。 得唔得？好，今日我哋會繼續認下字。第一個，廚師，廚師係 cook or chef。廚粵拼係 CYU 同 for， 點樣寫呢？點橫撇橫直橫直橫直橫，點點剔橫直勾點。C S I 同橫撇直橫直橫橫直橫橫直橫直勾直，得唔得？好，第二個，律師，律師係 lawyer， 律 L-E-O-T 同食，撇撇直橫直橫橫橫橫直。C S I 同橫撇直橫直橫橫直橫橫直橫直勾直。老師，老師係 teacher， 老 LOU 同 5 橫直橫撇直彎撇 Okay, the first one. This horizontal stroke is longer than this horizontal stroke. And then the second one, you can see here. You can see a hoop here, right? However, sometimes we don't write this hoop. We just write 直彎 instead of 直彎勾. But for me, you guys are beginners of learning Chinese character or Cantonese. I think both of them I will accept. Okay, because it's just a variation of the same character. Okay, C SI 同 1 撇直橫直橫橫直橫橫直橫直勾直。OK， 下一個學生，學生係 student， 學 HOK 同 6點樣寫呢？撇點撇點撇直橫橫橫直橫橫點橫勾橫撇直勾橫生 SAANG 同 1 撇橫橫直橫。Okay, again, the last horizontal stroke is the longest. Actually, this one is a character which has a multiple pronunciations. When you say doctor, you will say 醫生, right? It is written in the same way. But if this is doctor, we will say 醫生. If this is student, we will say 學生啱. The mouth open larger, okay? Okay, 行政主任 executive officer, right? 2行 HANG 同 4 撇撇直橫橫直勾正 ZING 同 3 橫直橫直剔撇橫撇捺主 ZYU 同 2 點橫橫直橫。Again, the last stroke is the longest. JAM 同 6 撇直橫橫直橫。Some people will write this horizontal stroke as 撇橫直橫。But I write it as 橫。All of them are acceptable. Also a variation of the same character. So I accept all of them. Okay? And then next one. 打工仔。打工仔係 wage earner。打 DAA 同 2 This is a hand radical. 橫直勾剔橫直勾。工 is from the word 工作 which means word. GUNG 同 1 橫直橫。仔 ZAI 同 2 撇直橫撇直勾橫。OK, 老闆 boss or are owners of a company. 老 LOU 同 5 橫直橫撇直彎撇。Also, some people will write 直彎勾, okay? But I just write 直彎 here. 板 BAAN 同 to. We will say this one is the radical. This one. This is the radicals of door. So we write the radicals of door first. 直橫直橫橫直橫直勾橫橫 and then 3 mouth inside the door. 直橫直橫直橫直橫直橫直橫 Okay, next one. Is a negation. It means not, right? 粵拼係 M 同 for. This one is easy, right? Mouth radical. 直橫直橫橫直橫直橫直橫直橫 Okay, the last one. 做 means to do or to work in a particular profession. 粵拼係 ZOU 同 6 點寫啊？撇直橫直直橫直橫撇橫撇捺 This one, human radical. Do you still remember it? Okay? 今日講完啦，下次見，記得 like、comment、share 啊，拜拜。